Today I'm going to try to show you how to tie 3 easy knots. I'm going to see if this guy is going to participate here. Anyway, the first one's your standard quilter's knot. So you're going to hold your thread towards your end like this. Hold the end with your index finger. I like to wrap 3 times. Pinch it with your index and thumb finger and hold it while you're pushing down, or pulling down, I guess. And there you've got your knot. This one you hold it the same way. Hold the end with your index finger, fold it over, so it's like this, and just twist 3 times. Same thing, pinch the thread with your thumb and index finger and push it all the way down to the end of your thread, and you've got a knot. And the third one, cross over your finger and then roll it, and pull down. And there's your other knot. All right, Fritz, have fun.